Yeah, I went on holidays and I can't find some of my parts at the moment, but they'll turn up. Let's just go through what I've got here. Get something to point with. There we go. I put on the hatch covers for going in and out, and the two plankings, and then the gangplank, both sides here as well, this one as well. And I've still got the gun to go wherever that is. It's laying around somewhere here. And some life rings and some detail, but she's really it's beginning to shape up really cool. I have to touch these doors up a little. So there we go. Not too much more. Yeah, I'm fitting the tires on the side here, and I'm just taking a little drill in a holder I just bought on eBay and drilling a hole through and putting the thread through like that, so it looks more real. Like this here. These are dinky tires. Yeah, some of my tires are brittle, so they're not the best, but it's better when they look old. So I just put a thread down, touch it a bit, knot it inside there, and hang it on the boat. I put on the life vest here with just a little bit of a black elastic, which tightens them up easier. I've painted the green and red, port and starboard side. I put a little pin in the top of this here to make it look better. I put the strings on the masts. I'm doing all these finishing up. And over here I'm making some doors for the inside here. There's an inside missing and two on the sides and one on the back. So I'm going to do those. I'm going to put a little round spring-loaded washer on those to make them look like portholes. So, and then I'm going to re-put these, were inside stuck on the cardboard. I'm going to put them on these doors and paint them out, and then they'll go inside the boat, and the round porthole goes on the back door here, so it's going to look quite good. There's one for this boat and one for the other boat. Right, so there's what I'm at. I'm just going to super glue these on and move on. I'm just painting the black stripes with tape. It's nearly the final thing. There'll be a couple of little touch-ups, but we're really close. So I'm happy. Yeah, hi, welcome to the restoration shop again. And boy, what a great day. I'm actually finished after 9 months. I started this in April during the shutdown after the USS Arizona. So 9 months, and boy, the two models are finished. I started with the paper model and had issues, and that decided to go to a wood model to make it more solid, and I wanted to do the mix of tin and wood, so I tried that. But you know, it was a great learning experience, but I wouldn't do two models the same again anyways. But you know, the learning experience was definitely great. And when this one model got to the upper decks done, I started veering off and making my own parts instead of using paper for the parts on top. So they're kind of more identical to that. Anyways, there you go, we're all done, and enjoy the video.